From this video, you will learn what is multiplication chart and how to find multiplication chart for any number without memorizing. So this is important, right? And this is important, right? And this is a skill you need to know how to find out multiplication chart for any number without memorizing. What is multiplication chart? Actually, multiplication chart is a one type of table that shows the product of two numbers. Let us find out the multiplication chart for 3. So how to find out the multiplication chart for 3? Chart means table, right? So at first, for finding out multiplication chart of any number, you need to write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And you need to box it. We are going to learn the technique that is not memorizing dependent, right? So now you need to find out the multiplication table or chart for 3. So write 3 here, then 3 times 1 equal to 1. That is, you need 3 times 1 equal to 3, you need it. So what is 3 times 2? 3 times, if you want to find 3 times 2, then you need to just add 3 to the before step. So add 3, that is 6 here. What is 3 times 3? Just you need to add 3 with this number, that is, you need to add the same number just with the just immediate step. So 6 plus 3, that gives you 9, right? So 3 times 4, just add 3 with 9, that is 12. 3 times 5 equal to what? Just add 3 with this 12, that is 15. 3 times 6 equal to what? Just add 3 with this 15, that is 18. So in this way you can find out easily find out the multiplication table of 3. So let us find out the multiplication table of 5. So 5 times 1 equal to 5. 5 times 2, just add 5 with this 5, that is 10. 5 times 3, just add 5, that is 15. 5 times 4 equal to what? Just add 5, that is 20, and this thing will continue, right? So let us consider how to find out the multiplication table of 7. This is hard, right? So at first you need to write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 times 1, 1. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2 equal to what? Just add 7 with this 7, that is 14, right? 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3 equal to what? Just add 7. Then what is happening? Look, 11, carry 1, that is 2, that is 21. Then 7 times 4 equal to what? Just add 7, 8. 7 times 1, 7. Then 7 times 2, 14. Just add, sorry. You need to add, right? Not multiply. 7 plus 1, 8. 8, then 2. 28, right? So, and you can continue this list. Okay, so how to find out the multiplication table for 11? Look, just 1, 2, 3, right? 11 times 1 equal to what? 11 times 1 equal to 11. 11 times 2, just you need to add 11 with this 11, add, right? 2 2 22. 11 times 3 equal to what? Just add 11 with this step, 3 3, that is 3 3, and this list will continue. So this is the way to find out multiplication table or multiplication chart for any number. I think this if you follow this method, you don't need to memorize multiplication chart or table.